I'm Andy Phillips from Business for Life and UK Small Business Websites, and this video is an introduction to the website design and installation packages we can offer. The fact is that at some stage everybody needs to get something on the internet, whether it's your first business or even a personal website. Or you may already have a website that's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing for you, and you need to have a really good relook at the website that you've got, what you want to try and do with it, and maybe you just want to change, whatever the reason, we can help. And in this short video we'll show you how. I want to tell you a little bit in this video purely about the introductory packages and how we work with our clients to help them achieve the results that they need for their websites. Now, most of our clients know they need a site, but simply don't have the time or the expertise to get something online and put it off until they can get their heads around it, or whatever it is, whatever their excuse is. Well, now you don't need to. No business should be blocked because of their technicalities or time issues. That's why we're here. Don't let these issues get in the way of getting your website up and running and working for you. So let's go through a little bit about what we can do to help. Now, first, the most basic package solves the problem of time and technical skills very quickly and easily. The very first module that we do is getting your website up on the internet ready for you to populate it with your content. You can also be assured that we use all our expertise to ensure that this initial site can be built upon. I mean, the last thing you want is something which is it's very easy, very simple to put up, but you can't actually do anything with it later on. The sites that we produce enable you to keep on putting more things on there if you want to. You can put different plugins, different software, and that sort of thing. So it can be expanded at any time. But the most important thing is to actually get the site up online, so you can start pointing people towards it, using it within a marketing campaign, whatever it is. So what we need to do is, first we need to buy a URL. That's a web address. Now, this could be your company name, or it could be a good keyword or phrase for the site. It could be a .com, a .co.uk, a .net, whatever you require. But we'll help you get that first web address. We'll help you find it. We'll find the one that works best for you. We know some of the best places to buy these domains, and if we're going to get more than one address for you, because you might have more than one website at some point, then we can help you set up an account yourself, so you can just go and purchase domains whenever you want to do that. But initially we'll just buy one domain and get it up and running. We can also sort out the hosting for you, so the hosting for your site. And this will be charged either annually or monthly, whichever's easiest for you. The next thing we're going to do is install WordPress as the basis of your site. Now, installing WordPress enables you to easily add content yourself, which saves you on ongoing costs, but more importantly, it puts you in command of your site. The bottom line is that if you want to be able to keep your site updated, then you can. You can do it from your laptop, your desktop, wherever you are in the world, wherever you are in the country, wherever you are in the office. You don't even have to be at your own desk to update your website through WordPress. You've just got to log in and start updating. See, the thing is, you want to keep your website fresh. You want to keep the content up to date. You want to be able to add events or videos, etc. whenever you want to be able to do that, not when a web designer has the time. This is the very reason we build these sites in WordPress, because it gives you control. We'll also install some software to help optimize these sites for search engines. There's some specific plugins that we use to just ensure that your website is highly optimized for search engines. That's important. We also install Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics will enable you to monitor who's visiting your site and provide you with some essential statistics, just so you understand where your site's going and how you can grow your site. We also provide a basic theme for the site, which will make your site look really, really professional right from day one. We write those ourselves, and we can do one for you very, very quickly and include that in the price for the whole job. If you're worried about how you'll find actually updating the site and things like that, if you think it might be difficult to use the software, it's not. It's pretty simple. But for a small additional fee, we'll go through that with you. We'll offer you a full training day for you and any of your staff who want to join in and find out how this works. We'll go through everything you need to know and give you a hands-on tuition to ensure you've got full control of your site and a full understanding of how you're working with your site. Once the initial site is set up, we can look at other modules to enhance and grow the site, which will go, we'll go into further detail, really in another video maybe. But it'll include things like setting up and using data capture forms for your site, so you can build subscription lists to market to. Now, this module also shows you how to produce email newsletters and the ability to market to your subscription list using email. Now, we use things like Constant Contact and stuff like that. It's very, very simple products to use. Again, it's just once you've been trained to use them, they're easy to do, but you just need the training, so we can provide that for you as well. Another module we provide gives you the ability to monetize your site. For this, we would set up accounts with things like AdSense and Amazon, that sort of thing. And then install the software to run these automatically on the site. You should never need to touch these again. Once they're set up, you should never need to touch them. But it will just give you some extra revenues coming through your site, which you would normally not have. This module can be extended to actually sell products as well through your site, so using things like PayPal and that sort of thing. But we'll go through those in other modules later. So if you've been thinking about getting a site online, then now you can. There's no more excuses. We can have your site up and running in a few days, and we can have you trained within a week. So contact us now while it's still fresh in your mind. You can call us on our free phone number, which is 0808 108 4897, or email me directly with your contact details and I'll call you straight back. You can email me on andy@businessforlife.co.uk. So if this has been something which you've been putting off, then strike now. Let's get it done. Let's get you up on the internet. So call me on 0808 108 4897. So until next time, this is Andy Phillips for Business for Life.